Today is review in geometry, so I want to make sure that you have all your notes. So I wrote them down and I'm going to go over them here. So this is over 6.1 to 6.8, and I want to make sure that you know these things. So regular polygons are equilateral and equiangular, because that's the definition of being regular. So them being regular makes them equilateral and equiangular. A circle can be inscribed or circumscribed in/about a regular polygon. So a circle can be either drawn inside of a regular polygon or outside of a regular polygon, and that's where we get some of our following definitions. So the radius of a regular polygon is the radius of the circumscribed circle. So that's the one that is drawn around the regular polygon, so outside the regular polygon. It also bisects the interior angle of the regular polygon. That is a key phrase right there. Okay? The central angle of a regular polygon, this central angle is between two radii. It's equal to the exterior angle and it's supplementary to the interior angle. It is also found by the formula 360 divided by n. If you were to get a question saying that an exterior angle is 40 degrees, what is the central angle? You would say that the central angle is 40 degrees as well, because it is equal to the exterior angle. Now, if you were given that the central angle was 40 degrees and it asked for the supplementary, or if it asked for the interior angle, you would do 180 minus 40, and you would get that the interior angle is 140 degrees because it is supplementary to the interior angle, okay? Now the interior angle is found, so the interior angle is actually found by this formula, n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. Or my favorite method, knowing what we know from previously, that the interior angle and the central angle are supplementary, you can just do, that should actually say 180 minus 360 divided by n. So this should say 180, because they are supplementary. 180 minus 360 divided by n here. I'll rewrite it. 180 minus 360 divided by n, because they are supplementary. I'm sorry, I've been writing a lot of math out today. So 180 minus 360 divided by n, because right here they are supplementary. Okay? Now moving forward, the apothem of a regular polygon is the radius of the inscribed circle. It is also the perpendicular bisector of the side of the polygon. So this is very important. It is a perpendicular bisector to the side of the polygon. You need to make sure that you remember that for possible true-false question. Okay? Now on the back here, I've got a lot of highlighting through it, so I will highlight in a different color. So we've got the ratios, so the similar polygon ratios. Okay, for this, if you'll notice, I've got radius, side, apothem, perimeter. Radius, side, apothem, perimeter, those ratios are all equal to each other if they are similar regular polygons. Okay, the area is equal to any of those squared. If you're given the perimeters, square them to find the ratio of the areas. If you're given the sides, square them to find the ratio of the areas. Okay? The area of a regular polygon is 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. You will always be given enough information to find what you are looking for in these problems. Now, similar to the ratio of similar polygons, the ratio of similar circles. The ratio of the circumferences are equal to the ratio of the diameters. Now with this, the ratio of any circumference to its diameter is always constant. It is always constant because it always equals pi. Now down here, I have a few other little formulas for you to kind of help you out and to give you a little bit of a quick review in a place where they're all in one place, okay? Circumference is pi times diameter, or 2 pi r. Arc length is arc length divided by circumference equals angle divided by 360. Area is either pi r squared or 1/4 pi times the diameter squared. Area of a sector is area of the sector divided by the total area equal to the angle over 360. Now, knowing what we know about arc length and about area of sector, we can then say this little hint down here. The arc length divided by circumference and the area of sector divided by the area of the circle are equal to each other because they're equal to the same thing, which is the angle divided by 360. Use this information wisely. Also pay attention to everything you are going to read tomorrow on your test before you take it. Pay attention to everything I have written, okay? I hope you guys do well. If you have any questions, tonight's the last night you can ask me anything, or today is the last day you can ask me anything, okay? Preferably not tonight because I will probably be sleeping from filming all these videos. But if you have any questions, you need to send me an email or you need to post in a comment. Don't forget to review, and good luck tomorrow.